In the home care setting, a non-medical caregiver would be someone such as um, you're interested in providing care in the home to a client, a patient, an individual, and yet you haven't gone to school to become a home health aide or a personal care assistant. So instead, you just love taking care of people, being in their home, helping them in their day-to-day activities, and that might be their need, might be homemaking. And you, as a caregiver, non-skilled, have the ability then to go in and help that person to maintain their home setting. It might be that they need help with some laundry because they've had a stroke. Again, as a non-medical caregiver, you would be able to provide those services without any type of schooling, etc. So that in the home care setting is someone that is just wanting to be able to help people and feel the desire to do that. And then we hire you as a caregiver. That's what the title is, and that would be able to take care of someone for homemaking, companion, and also for respite relief. And I meant to mention that that companion portion is probably the one that we have the most need for. It, we get calls from people who just want to talk to somebody, who don't have family and don't have friends, and they just want to have someone around to talk with and watch TV with, and maybe even run an errand with them, let them go to the grocery. So that companionship it's really a very coveted um, position in the home care setting because we have such a desire for our elderly population who need those services.